are pleased to show you the 2018 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, keyless start, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, climate control, premium sound system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, so stop in for a test drive today.